say na say ko enti no say sorry na ye momode into one na mo sanse mpanyifo say yan kan ni wachi a o say agro na ede na sabi mpedi so ye yi kwan na anka ufie a o say kwan de etrepa moment kwan de be kan ufie pe no o say contractor ni madwuma na kwan kakaka ade ntina wa be ya ba be fa ufie na afi wo mu na say kum sa pepe na tie na ya bomode adu pempenso a ya du men kase nipa nemum nyame na abomode amasa ne mani na aba na enumere mi wa not because of anything but because of your mind or mind konkon Ghana na pempenso ya to obawie ene de adu na yesi adwani ba ku fotrim na inshankan ruade se men paibo no se minwie no na de ono no adwen akwa achire they are listening or sit down no analyze things no abomode hu pempenso ne bebia ne pese me kansem no ebomode kudru na nyansa etese nimde de be fa no ati afasa so oba na ko school anu anya na nyansa de if you're through in the mount into your through am nyansa ya na edin na me someone makasa some way na me dese enei no top politician and it beto so eno and a trigger am interest say no I need to do this as well makasa some way say yan hwia sentoko be si Ghana ha anaso man be danye butua na ebe fia sofo yes ebe fia the so called mena nyame afreme ebe fia the so called mena nyame ne me kasa yes na minim say me someone me first of all niago seriously to be honest with you guys me first of all niago and whoever it is oni me bia nim say me this of hoago me this of bia hoago teacher pa na edi for no esan say makai trokunkun na hu say oso onu nyankopon ni nya bibi emo 37 oso nyankopon nya bibi aiso wada ni timu pona bia che ne nko adi for ansa and in tasebe wo me say nyame si anamu e wa tiase for asase so ene na di for now nyetie nie obia ni wono ma ode nani kotwa wusi ebomode hu twedi ampo nyankopon da so ye tuntum so ye kokko so ye fita so ye den obia ni wono abomode di nani abomode hu nyankopon pen obia ni wono abomode fa cap abomode asansu ama nyame anom da obia ni wono asansu akosi nyankopon adwa ayed pen ana mebwa no kwaseme wo no but at least what we believe a religion and a religion no assume be no wiase we have okay assume o wiase it's about 4,000 3,000 4,000 and over yeah but the name no the dominant o wiase Christianity Islamic and yeah I mean kind of Christianity and Islamic and the dominant no doubt it's a fact the fact that sir and when the dominant doesn't mean say ne ya do ye Ghana ha dey be pempen so ya do okay ye pempen so ya do ye use the word and I say a trokunkun Bible no and the bomode say home na say ye Christopher and ye fe Ghana say Christopher mine the reason why we call Ghana say Christianity country ni say Christians and the dominant yan say na ba Islam no that's the reason in bibia enta na mom no obentumi nkan cheme say nyankopon na wo Islam mu no anase nkemofo som no o different for nyankopon a Christopher som no fine eno ye wo wadwen wo nti asemu awo eno that one there I stand to be corrected but my point is that say ye defo ya na ye say ye Christopher de ya na Christopher ya esan say ye nuanu nkemofo no sabi mpediasa enni nsemu no kwasem na meka you are near all man. We need to call a spade. Now, medical kasa. Coronavirus bo more buy no. And no na Ghana and I say yes in who say. Baby a what here? Baby a ho and nyankopon wasi. Nti we odi ya odi anu ho no ma. Oni baby akọ. It sounds like this pandemic buy no. You will be a me say me obi a na na busu anyati abrochi ne busu anyati US. At a point in time, he was crying. No, he was weeping. Sir, Obenya can ring the person that make come was or a politician, yes, or a top politician. Obenya can ring the man or Ghana. You know why? Because Oslo, sir, that time. time I yeka coronavirus as na America etwam ekobe de audio na ayi he wa America Ghana one also Ghana as ya no mpa America ko and so that time coronavirus ba yeka so wutu kwan a onko yeka so kwa America onko is that so de ono onu o pagana kwa aduane aba be hye and so that time na kwanya wo hemfa ekwanya wo hemfa de person ko na nim tumi nko de person ba na chin tumi ma yes it's a signal me I believe say your boss so near assassin ni pay AI team no or send a signal to nipa say you be a utie bia no e hwa na ote o se achi nam enyo de hwa na otafenti ye na enyo de netrem na sometimes me I mean blame those a different but I believe say twede ampo Nyankopon fro bi a Nyankopon nyansa ni nimdie mu no o ma nipa ni nyansa e ka ho what you say o ma nipa nyansa enti no payifo ka asemi say akom emfo bi a wagimi yenti asema me kan yi payifo say akom emfo bi a wagimi akom fa animu akom so fa animu o nya fa ko akom fawo enu pa ya bosonsu mu enti insuo ebomode fa konfobia asema me kan no sit down and analyze things carefully insuo fa konfobia adentia konfo no nko na insuo fa no na emom no o tia me wo honom konfo tia me bia wagimi obesakew unim nyansa obesakew esan say omna akom no fa no ena obi aba ena watwa akokọ ena oye kasa ena owese na no say o kasa de be ya nipa no ote wonom na waba ne nche no onte de o ka che wono na ne chiame na interpret ade na che nipa no waba ne say insuo boso ne say oboa enye kasa bia enti say wo sa chiame no onye smart unim nyansa at the end of the day the all perfect nipa no e bia ka che say me pemponche anase bia say wonye smart no one for nyansa anka niema bi anje bibia ma konfo na ade che obepam esan so hunu so wagimi wonye smart yes no kwasem no esan say nsuo emfa chiame no efa konfo no nko a enti ka list o kasa no oka no ade nti na chiame ne tie it tells you menu enkasa ncheo enu ye kasa bebuo yes it tells you say eye nyansa enti nyansa no no de to onum na o se obi aba ne nchencho ni nyansa ne kom nsuo no se nyansa ne chiame ni nyansa ne bia obepam no esan say chiame no wagimi untumi emfa de amre no untumi ma ne nko nanim wakom no okom nim nti obepam nti eso so yes smart say na mpasa me share ya mpasa me share ne say nyame fe odifo bia nyame fe obi o mo nyansa ka ho so yo odifo ne nyame ama nyansa ejimi difo na wo ye yes ejimi difo na wo ye jimi difo na wudi sometimes unim eya me ya because debi ameka say when I go to social media na difo ho asema ba what I know and what I've research amabo ye say social media no dominate social media pa no less than 30 years not about 30 years yes dominate social media if you could see a sukonu media odifo bi wan sama ba no so nyema tantantan on social media on the license no aye e bon say the question we need to ask ourselves and say dey na man buy na de bia me ka say me say difo na okromu ano empe no kwe eno ti na nei no omobo woni a divert e dia ko see politicians so and the politicians so no sabi predia sound do na de no school adwen nyansa fi so no omuni bi kwasem no nyansa fi so e bi yo do na de no ne kakra bi ne wo do na de ne school de book mu de no ba chance no akan no ko enu anu no de ka bia no online bi bia and so all the time no a different way mo nyansa ne smartness wo mo ntino no mo de nyansa no e beat politicians no mo jom nsam ska me say nyame fro obi a esan say makan bible na mati ase say odifo ne de osia asumdwe nkom nye de obo man and so odifo bia na osia nkom wo Ghana ase ya onye oyo so odifo nkom a edifo no ana sia nkom a nkom sha ebo man no esen kasankofo ni ye chiom omu nyina no me I don't see them as prophets nyansa ni yo esa se nyame fo bi a on fa nyansa na nkame no o ka nyansa ka ho it is over chance na say nyame me de nyame ne makasa nyame ne say ana mu afi say sabi mpedi asa bonsan so nipa da ya na edifo okumu ya no mu afi say bonsan eso nipa da ye If you don't know, I'm telling you guys. And yeah, sometimes Monse Nyansa na musuya de enka ho. Okoda na okosoda ya nya nyame na akasa ache no nche se nyame na akasa ache. Ntu so nyame akasa ache wa Nyansa odi be interpret asem ne way. Because odifobia oni nyame be kasa bia no na nyame be twa bibia ache obia no. Omo Nyansa obe interpret asem no e dia ma oman no. Omo hu Nyansa. Enu tira na no da odifo Azaya akose ohene Hezekiah nkom no. Obo odi du ho no obusa an se wa momodi ambode wuro na emom no okohene ne nchen san se no na nyame so anso nkonkwe. Nti Ghana di for momo time ene nkom se be ba na. Nti momo time na ehunu ye na edi ye be ba na. Me say o man we ye timu se ntokwa be si Ghana ha se ya e di for. Mamum ye nhwe no MPP NDC no. Mamu mi nhwe se anye bia no odifo we come certain party into ono de na ye protect no odifo we come opposition into no de ye nko attack no. Oh no, mamu mi nye sa. What is wrong is wrong. Into kwani sia e bia na anye bia ono no be share sa jimi nkom na ni ade ni ntino anye bia no o politician no wo betua twa ticket aman so ntu kwan ko onwane nko na ye so ye mu so yes ye mu so these are some of the things. Into what they can. None of them can odifobia or no tia. This never be one ma. Me won't be that. Sometimes no. A different any wo film. Job can say me or say Nyansa any a dream film. Na ye ni ba no. Ni anim say. Sabi pediasa nipa wanyini ni tun your food bia Nyansa. Yes. Yesu so Nyansa na edwen sa na enim. Me ba ya mi sua de kwa animu a ambo mo de kind the same scripture Bible here da won ya and mamu say Job ne kan sa say o say Nyansa eni adwirifuom. The fact that when you age him and it doesn't mean so Nyansa. No. What Jimmy? The fact that we D4 doesn't mean so Nyansa. What Jimmy? O D4 biana or shen koma or to be used to a JM tone or to use common sense on to Biano no D4 or Nyansa. Nyame feel be and Nyansa and Kameno. No. O D4 bia Nyame feni bia. Je Nyame ne kasa bia no or catch any pa on Nyansa tone e interpret as some more man. Said be ya into Tuyemba. That is why saying Pono or be born check counseling. We will differ about check counseling. One will be crying now. It depends on the way I interpret as some money panel. No one can by Nadian. You are different baby. I probably be a woman there saw them because of them. Because of the way who are the end of the room see I present here to them. Not the fear and panic as I told Swaka. As some way I make a open yenches ID with some bois. Ye different kwan o krum say ya the bia be kwaso bia on be so nkonsha abewu ewu nso da o ma nipa bia because omo who say a Christopher Srowo into all the time bia no e nkonsha obi bewu nkonsha obi bewu nkonsha obi bewu nko a say the be obe John Semska of man wey to come be ma e yadifo em just say me kan asem no na nya bia na no da me che na tu na honorable Kennedy Japan e kan asem e de to so of course it's true. And to come about my D4. Young condemn one didn't say I didn't yet. Abusia, and yet, no. Now, no, Yabomode a election. Now, Yabomode declared in the week. Yet D4 way Echo Party, Simpieswa, Wako radio station, Wako grant interview. Opposition party no and wakuni probably and why nyamene me kasa and ade no waka nsem basa nyansa bia ni wanfa nyansa anto ho no kwa no wanfa nyansa anto ho we hu ne say sabi mpedua sa ho asem na waka no oman no ma ye wo no nyo bia na no be ya adwen enyo bia na wo party e afa we hu nyansa nse nyo bia na wo party e afa owie no na odipo bi no I me shall come so position a very in opposition no and again day and a day no sababa say sona or no so for Nyansa ni yam tun e hu ne say sabi mpedua sound sabi mpedua sa nyame ne sihne and for that matter no more in the sihne it is your man pe any de mu nipa pe and e bo mo de eko or no so for Nyansa tun Nyansa ni enti e ba omo de ba no wa hunya nsa se sabi mpabia sa asem na waka no ma no nipa nya no bia na opposition enyo bia na support opposition party no ono so amfa nyansa nto ni nyansa e wo fom wo yi atofo no otetia so instead of some nkola na omo machi na omo mo sika to aduane di e betu omo fo no da ye papa e kan we ye support no obi afa camera si no so no abo de aba be trase no afa odifo bi no address the poto no adi na tem no ma kansem ehunya profane words no ma kansem basa jimi sa no ma be trase omo wi no ma sorry omo wi no na the other party omo di na tem no so aba be trase no mo so kansem sa no ma kansem no ni jimi sa omo wi no mo so sorry no mo ko no nyansa ben anyway. It's hard time. It's what I'm saying. And then you know, you say, penny to a colafu, and then colafu 2 penny for money ye. Then penny for one 2 colafu. Yen so many am I in some more personal interest in Tino or money more. What if for Ben or say, what's your politician being 1 in this car? Any because as I'm no. Muslim come Emma opposition party at Joe Musca. Musha koma sitting government no ejo muska on the name say mo pese anya bia no se party e de beba na party e nya favor ho enwenko na nyame dia hye wo nsa no odi for ma men ka no kwencho se enwenko na nyame dia hye wo nsa wo de be hye wo esan say nyame afro bia so ba be gu na nim ase nyame wan fro di for bia so ba be gu na nim ase e domo de gu na ase no sa dom no collection no oba for de ene abodo o be tu egu nsuo na ni no eno na be hye wo esan say de so de cancer mpa no e di on sempa no your cancer mpa o di on sempa no de na mo ma ni kwi eye de na mo pe mumu why na so hu nyankopon pen nyame no sha tawe be mu ma kanche Ghana for say me share nyame no sha nika me share nyame no sha jeans me share nyame no sha skirt me share nyame no sha de na mo pe obia se nyame akasa ache no fa so wo fie fa nyansa to enhye koma e bebo man no but yabo mo de akara na at least no yabo mo de edu baabi a enam say koma ye party a na yedi koma ye party a ye nkasa anko am party a na abomode abe criticize ade no we shouldn't do that dokuma say na mo da me ko efi me kofi high school junction new market no masi no atonso new market no me kofi na mu say police for e wo honom na security personnel no amount around and am say that lucky for me na me one police officer and on kwaya me wave no good now kwaya na me package na me see na me say na bibi say dem hu bi da other than there security personnel no ma parade around ade bibi asi wo ha na o ti aso ka kire me o say an ye nya ne ntie say allegedly NDC supporters be say on ma be market no are you guys dumb like seriously. And I'm saying, wow, I'm over the market for what? Reason here day. O money in your idea. O money any be biako. And your mind back up. My point is, I did be a cobiano now. Opposition party in Tiasma Mekani. Me go straight to the point. Because me opposition party more than even the sitting government. It's me no make me make and I'm so na make. Say power na ye can power no. It's the NDC say you the power no mama. Can you even enjoy the power? Abai no move trem say no mu o man na the mobile body inside some supporters any baby am dey fa no. Move to enjoy friends power no. Move to enjoy. That's the question we need to ask ourselves. Any about 2. No one is saying say whatever it is I'm okay be senseless. Oh no, me I will never ever say that because the be am say between MPP and NDC until say Ghanaians be a different mentality about them and son of man no edu pempe so I obi expect say be do. Yes, you have your genuine concern from the onset. Many fear ebesi ne about to be one ma efe e Ghana about to be one more be so up to anya be an either MPP or NDC omu be see one wiem. Yes, that's the fact. It's the fact. You can never have it all. You can never about to be anyone. Say bia and it will never happen. Say yes ya to aba obi so anye kunu obi so wanwiem and also hey sit da. Both parties they did it. No mumu wa wo de no ebe kwa animu no fine no wageni wa de na call baby. That's so simple. Yes, that's the fact. And in this case no, my point is you have your genuine concern. Into whatever genuine concern am no, and they want to inform for the appropriate channel. Why then am on channel mo genuine concern to the appropriate channel? Why then and anya bia no enye court nko a anya bia your mpanyifo your opinion leaders why then am on channel mo genuine concern to them if you don't want to go to court? O man mra o mo ana me boa and then mpanyifo say the odi kan the odi ache no sua the odi kan 90 say be president sound mo and yesi mo ye leaders enti mo na mo ko and ye di machi enti mo ko na ye di machi no. What are you teaching us? Then am mo change man no. Shall we say what they see or your friends what do you call it? Chachiman. At the end of the day, not timemufo nipa miensa no more from nkwa. My point is that mu hwan na ye mo hwe ne nkwa no anya bia wo se wo betu de ka to e de ama party na wabusua. Mu hwan and after that no me say ayi no omba ko bonsa 1 billion de ama wabusua. Oh kwase wuo, oh jimi wuo. I'm telling you. Adentina yemma politicians no say na yi atonsu kumase ase yeso ma be market no adentina yen kan show mo say wopa omo ye no nipa mienso omo ye me nkwa chi sa nipa mienso omo wo tachima na police for 22 omo ye no now yen show mo age yen scrutinize between MPP and NDC politicians in nya abusuam yen nipa omo age nti so omo ana adentina omo for mo ndi omo chiamba adentina omo for mo ndi animu. Say me politician B, politician A, me manie, me offer phone ye, mundi animu. Politician Ben, obi man one politician or say, waba ninuya, anan offer say ako peja that ye into on a garden. Politician Ben, politician Ben. I no say the macho man or dinner chino, ninuya anan offer say. Anan say or ninuya bema, wakache ninuya and say ko peja that ye never be dimechi. Politician Ben. Obi nkancha wo ma me ba ko pe di ade o ma ne nkosi da ben na ne nyina no me blame asofo na me blame security personnel. Yes, it seems some adwuma no ya to sini wo ma nim. You know why? Because sometimes me bo money hu kan no me hu kan because me try to analyze ade and say we hyenkom A we hyenkom B yemu say na be ko. Sometimes it's some impredious some no susu na some other woman me ndwen he ya yen kwa chiri ne wa ade bi on ma ya analyze ya yen hu say ade A ade B ade C and e be ade hu susu so ade be ba see about security personnel no body yes and am party sem and on body two sa na mo na nkin du pempenso ya du da nka next time bia no obi atena se e won na so dem e hye nkoma ana epiti a nko be he nnya nko na egu no. And the soft food gare a 50 echo saw them at the echo senkom at no we jai or preaching no jai preaching no now for the MPP and this I saw them or the MPP and this was saw them. I saw about that 50 when the 50 years about the MPP and this but do you know so for MPP and this yes you come yes you say your mentality no form into the Christians you worship your day for no say omni ye nyame you worship almost omni nyame omo de omo se impediasa toilet ko munko bi omo nyunsompo sa na form the fact that who did for that no say me nka say nyu no me nka say nyeda ma omo ye nipa okay omo ye nipa na omo ye between wo ni unyankopon entem nti ade bi won ma when it say go wrong catch and say go wrong man ntia say go wrong. Yet you come one accident be sinya nya bibia nipa passenger no tika ni no be ka che driver ni say driver o ka kanye iti me patro da no slow down bi wani ye no on kanda ita so on so ko ka obi bo mo na e di na temtu on ka e be wie che na accident na ba no mu nyina ewu. Whom are you to be blamed? You blame why? Ene niema ekoso e Ghana ha ya to obawie niema ekoso a na yekosia ene yekoakosia ene yekosia ene yetwata anya ade atum omu hwan be say politician ben both MPP NDC politician ben no say ne baka ho now more than me share the two honorable Ken Japan but before then mama more the two I know say adwuma no me no technical handlers no ene bo mo de say adwuma no mama more mabaso seriously bon mabaso ye pa all those are meant to me right but at least whatever it is that they did biano was in a good shape perfect. It's in a two technical handlers no Charlie you guys did a marvelous job. It's answer at the point in time they realize say almost see you almost director go offline. Yes now they need to mute the microphone. Yes I feel mic the kasa or kasaba nemba Oman say some impedias on any station on the only station on the two omoka no but they realize that some now omo penny cano as some of papa ne cano and fast from you ma o mine it's at the point in time no more muting the kasa no Charlie you guys did a marvelous job kudos yamishram. These are some of the things that we need. We don't need those we don't need them. Omani any baby yako Mudi anje bia mu kwa diplomatic passport. Ye ni bi. MPP need the NDC for politicians. O nya kwekwa. Ye ni bi o. Ye ni bi. Ye tie mantwe mu a. Eni ye bo mo de bo enkusi ni ye bo mo de do sano kakaka. Say be du pempenso bi. Ye bo ye hu pa ye che awurade. Now they also your D4. Now me no and I make say sometimes when I'm blaming the politicians, now me blame us for no so. Now say me say blame politicians in count. Now no there is a politician be say and now president sorry so D4 be. You say I say your president be o man 3 days and my adwuma ma and one me come ade me and nkan you NDC a nkan come in me. Oh say on mindset no Jimmy I'm telling you, nyansa na nyamedia mo di dia sofudie no. O ma nyansa na to form. That is it. Ai, enka me adwuma e de ma NDC a enka me come in me and o ma come ade me enti no me ma 3 days ubewu Jimmy keka sa. Unim de ya no mo mansa no aba. We enya asumdwe nkom. No, how no? What it means is that mofu e na mo de nam. Mofu stomach. Mofu ekom no me say enyanko na wo no obobodi asom nkom awi asoy ma na gu na ase no oyo ho adwuma awi unya adwuma ni wi asoy baby here one Ghana city asoy baby hu kye no asoy baby spiritually or go down unya hu obobodi akwa hu MPP de akwa hu NDC de enu mom na afis okoka at least no discover brew me boa omutu skano enyo omu dia oman sika ena alisiro ye no ya mo power ama omu simpi agina so ntino omakwa omu di omu sa bom ena omu di nsem hu okrumu yes oman sika ena politicians they go atopre in the MPP ba or the Ghana ba obemu Ghana no dia shen botom NDC ba obemu Ghana no dia shen botom. Sometimes when you hear some of these things and I'm telling you you'll be shocked so for Morgan maybe I'll be amchia you'll be shocked. When you hear some of these things, you'll be shocked. You also say, it is sika when you know. Ye kasika, and also ye can budgeter. Politicians, more money, and I say, it's got more money spending doing about 2 years. Timomini, you'll be shocked. Timomini, we pay 500 Ghana city. Now, what that, I mean, more fear yana kolebi baha. More fear yana kolebi baha. See, so a cock on fanoshi. Yes, you won't cook one scan be. Onibi scan no kwa kubusa 500 Ghana cedis okonuma duro kwawu it will sika politician be say no outside or about one you be shocked you be wie na ya be catch say ni pa ne so you ko to aba e ma ye nya power enina so obi aba be fa Ghana dia say botum na ode ope nti dey na e bo wode ko ye no e na mo pe nti when it takes opposition no say ya the power no mamu a wala can you even enjoy the power? Can you enjoy it? Can you enjoy? You cannot. When you be just enjoy it, huh? More genuine concern. Fine. I'm not begrudging that fact. Mo genuine concern no, mo nim the right channel, mo channel to the right channel. Mo channel to the appropriate headquarters. It's as simple as ABC. And leave team mo for no, mo jai some inside mo supporters, mo nyai. Because we all more padia with passion and everything. What I say? And no more they taking advantage of the people. Me say politician be obi mami one politician na me say the bodyguard di na chi no eni nua. Ana the macho man no di na chi eni nua. Aban ben oba so a o say o appointing the ministers no oba won dey kofa macho man appointing say anya bia no ye to aba no o kofa ballot box ye to aba no o ko protect ballot box into my minister of ballot box aban ben adena timem for sometimes ebinum yensua de kakra yenhunyansa kakra ubedi tim we mu achi wo I'm telling you wo what you also who politician only nam or process into who all show baby I'm telling you a year na say as God we kokran onu ko nsuo wo bon san na 500 Ghana cedis wo wie obusuanim ko mpape onu wo wie that time wo ko onfa ho biem yensuo nyansa me see ni ye be fa no at father so nyansa de nyame na de ma do se o nyansa no wo nyansa no na se nipa na wo no nyame na bo no enti nyame ma obi nyansa edantin fa nyansa ya adwuma ma nyansa ni nya adwuma nkasa nkyerɛw obi ka cho se ko market obi ka cho ko esi aka che ne se on fa ne ba a on ni eti se wo ana ne wo fa se ni eti se wo no ne nko enti ye bo mutuo ana se ye bo ne chiwa ne a che on so aka ho ne fe so be ya Mr. Chichu Panda sitting government. And some more in court, Sadian. A deep for people more than Shem Comam. A different Shem Comam Niniano. In a Bibia, a Sikam de Mom. None what I know more than Cocache, me Papa Baku. I mean, yeah, coronavirus by the sitting government from the president, Abomodia Fasofo. Say, I'm fail. And I'm social media fame. And I'm social media trending, you know. Obo modi be just simpie so e ma obi ka say and ono ko se nkoma MPP no ya mfre no na e na be just simpie so na kai na wado e kasa tia president miti o kasa ni nyina e bo modi analyze ade no e ka chef e kan me kan no you called say me find different angle ade so e twi kasa na o kan man find different angle e twi kasa na kan na me pese twi wa dwi so say ade na o kan ye no se me pabia what did o man pani atem ene bibia on the name of fame on the name of social media trend on the name say obi abeka say hey me na me we na me you wan hwane na me na ye na me insem hu sa wo wie no na ne nkola abomode afa camera aso camera so on Facebook no mo na di matem sa me call them hu ba ko bia obi we later they called me and I'm no kasa no nko delete post no sa na obi ono enime me fan abomode a capture post nko dada tell me warning say adan ma be come so for asem na person for na asem che me we did a show mask ka to me ani di nti why do you open asem why do you open asem ba you so ni ko to amnem why do you open asem ewi ache no na ba be edifo to edifo ntokwa ekeka profane words and one year and we are say and we are say and we are say and you one year and if you are coin and if you are coin it's a musa no bia ekeka bisa on the name of trend on the gum wani masse and Christianity no at to form religion at to form na mutieti aso mama nyame mum aye ketwa say no nyame mum na asum nyam na mum sum nyame no mama nyame mum na asum wesi nyame say odifo ne your chance ndwen kom odifo ne your se nyansa nkom nyame bomo de kasa chewa odi nyansa ka ho enti wo ma nyansa fa nyansa ne interpret ade no ne hu kwa be fa so a wo de asem ne be ma o man no a yo ne bi amba yes asem na be ma o man na yo ne bi amba mutiti krom asana sika munya mo de ne ka asam de to munya mo de nya ka asam de to izi akwa de mafio Facebook ene o say dey minimum po Facebook ena niema no say no mo ba be gina so eno ne dey eno any day en consider ben o man to kwabem na e mo na man to kwabem ma de na obenya de na obenya una ashe nkom na ye den de na obenya ye ma minister of den ye ma minister of den o de kan ministry opposition apese ye ni ma on o sofo no o be shen nkom ase am mu ni amoma mi wei ana part we mu ba amoma mi wei ye ma o den eye di ade eye di mo personal interest into no all the time no mo pese omo form no emre mo di nyam din e mo no I mean almost I don't blame them. I don't blame myself for me blame yeah you call sorry yes you have to form team me ni adu form you on the top ya na di ko ni isu jimi o sorry atun bottom akwa pressure boy for there meanwhile na the best school fees crowd o no ntua jimi sa adaya papa say papa say go to we do di ko ni papa se me nkoto milk mra no fanya akwanche mame papa se me nkoto wine mra no fanya wine mame papa se me nkoto we mra jimi sa me kasa eso oni bi papa se me mra na me mebo afode na okwa akobọ no okwa akobọ se de obi atam ni jet se de akwa akobọ afode meanwhile o pesca 10 million de adwuma ye mo money that check we ye scrutinize for a different mo komo anyina I'm sorry si ye nya hie ni wa bi a $500 cedis ayadwuma yes titupa no mo share sa nsembun kom ye mo ni scrutinize o mo aso hwe ade si nya di obi o ti aso dem a o pay just 1 million atwa aduane adi abo ni si nya sanko fo mu mo ana mu ko ya no mo wie message sa di fo na ase atutu pay before preach on come Jimmy sa not me photo e follow Jimmy sa ni follow no me dey kwa ni akoto e be gbe no me say onu anam so hye community no politician bi man scam na tukwan na wo so wa Jimmy no kwasa na me ka tro no nyansa nyanya me man en kasa tro e ye na nkomo mo ni social media say e bi on be kwa sorry e na anoma ba kwa ho no ma nkomo hu nyansa o me trust say dabi ade ya me ye sorry ma no mpe amanfo support e dey say ja na sorry ma mandate no enye omo a o call mandate no enye opinion dis odipo no kwasa na me ka tro no o call mandate enye opinion dis young come sade no it's high time the security personnel omo won story no diphobia no be din some movie omo arrest titupa social media o gati interview kwa na interview no kan kanya nsasama eze e chew ati be bo man ese chew penyo na ibu na kan for ka ho nje nei se BBC a ye blame asofo no ye be blame security personnel no so aka ho yes it's as mo hwan adenya we the commission no is in the favor of the sitting government we commission no is in the favor of the opposition in the way the yenko okay yenya nsa is as we the ono so yema Ghana in your first okay yema Ghana in your first. These are some of the things. E ya sofo we mu a emene esuko no mabo de fa phone no wa so camera sin anim ade ya the first time we Facebook live no so camera sin anim e di present atem e di pani atem suko no ma on te say omo bra bi ada bia bi umie abusua bi o aso camera sin so di present atem nye bibia o e because of politicians e because of asofo we mu nti because kakane na minim say wo se odiphobia na ahia sofo bi kwa na ono se gu achi no obomu ase ama because we do really respect them and I'm saying nay social media e do do pempen so a o ma free o mo call mandate hunti no enem ready esi obi e ko jana water so a instead so be preach the gospel instead so be kanyam ya adwen no insem hu nko a this one nyom nyina do na yesa ne man nyom ni wo mo dada I'm not here to mention obi adi ko jana water so a odi we atem no we so aba no odi and no the water no ay insult exchange of insults in some am woman nko an omka di ade se de be ya be tam ska de abrem mo aso na mo se so nya wiase japade nya na ahwe okra nko a mfa so be no It's in the Bible. Mo can kaya for so benu. It's the mu ya for so benu. Yen sit down. Sometimes yen su nyansa kakra no kwasem a different na yesan yen su nyansa no mu nyina. You were different kumwa. Yes. Kanyam nyadwen. No mo mu pe frame ni ade na mu pe bibia di omo do mafu nenam. On pe so mu nya bibia bi no. No. Me say party ben be boss say o create ministerial position the amount. Party ben. Now what that ye bo mo de to aba. Ye first so for chiabosom. Papa baby a obi am chia wada ma mbo di na akasem. I don't know any defo. Ono so say what party or call esie nanim or kokunkoden. In shaka radi say CPP wo mo ba ye ene ho anwan ye PPP ho anwan ye mo ba nya otu o mu nyina. On the third. Obi say na position on en carry. The position on the ballot box ballot paper en carry. E wi eche no on the third. Ana me wa. Enti ka wo politician na office obe shenkom ayewe no ka hye wo honkom na ka che nyame onyankopon na ne kaza nyame pese be president enti sa dia me so me kosie nanim enti awurade me bom paye me hye me honkom se ma me metra abanwa no so na ka Ghana fo nto abama hye honkom ne be president ni bi oso ye person ado oso nya nipa edien no enu mayi mu nyansa atofo mtiatia so why ena mpese mbo man no o man na yetim no ye de ye ni ba bia akọ o man mu anete ya doman say ye di ma ni ba bia akoda mo so mo form man say mo de mo ba bi kwa mo nkona mo je o man nto edien no me say security person no sorry opposition no hu de so mo ye the sitting government hu de so mo ye politicians minim say ye bi enye ye sanse mo de ye di mo si ya kon nanim nti mo ko ene ye di mo achi mo sorry na mo hu de so mo ye. Now listen, no, do the right thing. Now, guys, and incite my supporters. I'm talking about both MPP and NDC here. Yes, and not me born the two technical team nabasono. It's not say whatever it is that now on Nabo Kenya Japan or Ekano. Then yen sama a bit to be asumduaba. Yes, and yen sama to be asumduaba Ghana. Hell no. Let's call a spade. In the point in time on yesano or Casano Mutuno. A sebi of film feel say Mwabia no mutune Casano. To me, but at least they did a marvelous job. Yes. I say bo mabaso. Mr. Mu de somewhere. O man de ye de mu anete. Ne ye kwasi we stores and say ye kwasi we stores and ye kwakwa we. Come on. Why? In the same period as open power. Na enam wo so ntino na sanye mo we nyina e ba no. I mean, power no kwa de mo obetumi be kwa de aniji ababe. Why they not pass it through the appropriate channel? Now on some can't hear all just saying come on to him. Why? O man Ghana near Bakupu. Ebony baby, Ghana never coupe. And consider pain. Yamima yin dream, ye fan pemo. Na yen sorry so. Yamima yin dream. Na Jesus amani crowd association. Me no be say share. No, channel so say oh share Jumedi no J1 Media, J1 Media. Oko YouTuber, J1M. Yeah, J1M Ghana. J1M Ghana. No any YouTube channel no. Plan as a platform ni J no. J1M. One no J no like a Jada, J no like going, J like good man. And a one no any West a figure one. One say no actual. Now the M like mother, M like man, M like Mami cancer, now the M, J1M, now my space, now the Ghana, so J1M Ghana, a YouTube platform, no videos are doing in your programs are doing and so Abomodiam watching. Obomodi channel, now the Busiano is answer J1M Ghana and Busiano, Busian, yes, until press subscribe button now, no became Busiano, now you move Ghana forward. It's all about Ghana and nothing else. The nation agenda. And I'm the bro. Any good man, Benjamin ever blessed. Yami show, not any fan show. No man, Tiasia. Mitiao now so afacheme. Yes, Mitiao now so afacheme. So because we na know that facheme. But one thing I know, and one thing they minim and say, Omano, nya idea. one Ghana in Bibia. It always Ghana first. Yamisha Munya not telling Fanche Munya. Jesus Amani crowd association. Me be say share. Na yabo mo dia dwo man ho. Momanu Munya wate. Merry Christmas as well.